What if I told you there's a way to learn anything faster? Whether it's a new skill, a language, or even rocket science. And no, it's not about cramming all night or having a genius brain. It's about hacking your brain's natural learning system. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to learn anything 2x faster. Meet Steve. Steve's a nice guy, but he's terrible at learning new things. He tried to learn guitar, but gave up after a week. He tried to learn Spanish, but all he remembers is hola. And don't even get me started on his attempt to code. Let's just say his computer is still recovering. But one day, Steve stumbled upon a secret. A science-backed method that transformed him from a struggling learner into a learning machine. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Steve discovered, and how you can use it to learn anything faster. Here's the shocking truth. Most of us are learning wrong. We waste hours cramming, rereading, and practicing the same way over and over. But science says there's a better way. Your brain has a natural learning system, and if you hack it, you can learn anything faster. The secret? It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Here's how Steve learned anything faster using 3 science-backed steps. 1. The 80-20 rule of learning. Focus on the 20% of the material that gives you 80% of the results. For example, if you're learning a language, start with the most common words and phrases. Steve used this to learn Spanish in just 3 months. 2. Spaced repetition. Instead of cramming, review what you've learned at increasing intervals. Steve used apps like Anki to remember guitar chords without endless practice. 3. Active recall. Test yourself instead of passively rereading or rewatching. Steve practiced coding by solving real problems instead of just watching tutorials. By combining these 3 steps, Steve went from struggling learner to learning machine. And you can too. So, are you ready to learn anything faster? Try Steve's 3-step method for a week and let me know how it goes in the comments. And if you're tired of struggling to learn new skills and want more life-changing tips, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's make learning easier and faster together. See you in the next video.